It's a certified 2017 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you're driving or being driven, you'll relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, Wi-Fi hotspot, hands-free liftgate, V6 engine, four-wheel drive, external memory control, heated steering wheel, gas pressurized shocks, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Drive refuses, the CT6 is best appreciated in the real world, preferably in motion, whether it be catching the reflections of skyscrapers or charging along a challenging mountain road. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.